Hi guys, welcome back to Enerack channel. Today I will demonstrate the compatibility of our product. Look at this. Then we've got our rails and the mini rails. They are used in tail roof, tin roof, ground system, triple system, ballast system, etc. Now I will install the end clamp and the inner clamp on the rail. Let's go! If you want to see more information about our product, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.